In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move a site to another workspace. We'll keep this really straightforward, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to transfer a project from one workspace to another without losing track of anything. This is especially useful if you're reorganizing your projects, joining a new team, or simply want to keep personal and client work separate. First, start by heading to your main dashboard. This is the central hub where all your projects or sites are listed. Make sure you're logged into the correct account, especially if you manage multiple accounts or teams. Once you're on the dashboard, you should see a grid or list of your sites. Take a moment to locate the specific site you want to move. It helps to double check the site name and thumbnail so you don't accidentally move the wrong one. When you found the right site, move your mouse over it. You'll notice a small icon with 3 dots, usually in a corner of the site card or row. These 3 dots open the options menu for that particular site. Go ahead and click on them. After clicking the 3 dots, a drop-down menu will appear with several actions you can take on that site. Among those options, look for the one labeled Move, or something very similar. This is the command that lets you transfer the site from its current workspace to another one that you have access to. Click on Move, and the platform will guide you through a series of on-screen prompts. Typically, you'll be asked to choose the destination workspace from a list of workspaces you belong to. Carefully select the workspace where you want this site to live going forward. If you're part of multiple teams or organizations, double check that you're picking the right one. Once you've selected the destination, confirm your choice. The system may take a moment to process the move, especially if the site is large or has many assets. After it's done, it's a good idea to navigate to the new workspace and verify that the site appears there and opens correctly. That's all there is to it. By using the dashboard, the 3-dot menu, and the move option, you can quickly and safely move a site from one workspace to another whenever you need to.